Welcome back to my channel, Chemistry Made Simple for NEET. I am Dr. Subramaniam with a PhD in Chemistry. So already I have uploaded the most important MCQs, 3 sessions of classification of elements and periodicity in properties from class 11. So today I am going to upload the last session of the most important MCQs from this lesson. So I would like to share with you today is the most important revision strategy about preparing for the NEET exam. And you should make the strategy for NEET revision along with your NEET preparation exam preparation plan, and also without revision it is very difficult to retain key concepts of chemistry. For revision you may target one chapter in a week and you can divide it into daily basis target. So try to attempt 60-70 questions during the revision of any chapter. And solving important questions for NEET is very crucial for your revisions. Note down important questions of a chapter in your short notes. Also note the mistakes you made while solving the questions. Highlight them in your notes so that you can attempt them first in the final rounds of your NEET revision. So hope you enjoyed taking these tips and taken some valuable tips for your exam preparation. You go with these strategies I have told you and be confident about the exam preparation. You will definitely score high in NEET 2022 exam and secure a seat in your dream college. So with that I will be starting the first question of today's session. And the first question is, what are the units of measuring bond angle? Is it meter, kilogram, degree or mole? Correct answer is option C, degree. So what is bond angle? It is angle between two bonds from the same atom which is bonded to different atoms. So we express it in the units of degree experimentally by spectroscopic method, and it shows the shape of the molecule in a 3D dimension. So next question is, the bond angle between hydrogen atom is 104.5 degree, 104 degree, 105.4 degree or 105 degree. So the correct option is 104.5 degree, option A. So the water molecule is V-shaped. Angle between hydrogen through oxygen is given by 104.5. So we know the angle between two bonds from the same atom that is bonded to different atom is called the bond angle. So the next question is, the bond enthalpy of water and OH, they are 502 kg per mole and 427 respectively. Then what is the average bond enthalpy? Is it 502, 464.5, 427 or 74? The correct option is B, 464.5. So you know that H2O gives H and OH. So delta H1 is 502 and OH gives H plus O. Delta H2 is 427. So the average bond enthalpy will be given by their mean. That is, you have to add both 427 and 502 and divide by 2. You get 464.5. So this method you can use it for polyatomic molecules like water. So I hope you understood how to find this out. Next question is, what is the bond order of CO? Is it 3, 2, 1 or 4? The correct answer is 3. That is, the number of bonds created or made between two atoms in a molecule is known as the bond order. So in carbon monoxide, it is a triple bond between the carbon and oxygen. So the bond order is 3. Next question, all the dash species have the same bond order. Is it isotopic, isoelectronic, isobaric or iso-neutronic? So correct answer is B, isoelectronic. So the molecules and ions that contain the same number of electrons are known as isoelectronic species which have the same bond order. Example, the molecules and ions like N2CO and NO+, they have the bond order 3 and 14 electrons. Next question, which of the following molecules have dipole moment? Is it N2CH4, BeF2 or H2O? The correct answer is water. The dipole moment is given by the product of the charge and separation distance between the atom, usually expressed in d by units d. So for the molecules N2CH4 and BeF2, net dipole moment will be 0 because they cancel each other due to the symmetry. But water molecule has got V shape, so it shows dipole moment. It's not movement, it is dipole moment. So next question is, which of the following is correct regarding the repulsive interaction? So lone pair greater than lone pair bond pair. It is greater than bond pair bond pair. So mostly this type of questions come for the exam. So lone pair, less than lone pair, less than bone pair. So the correct option is A. That is lone pair is greater than lone pair is greater than bone pair. So because the lone pairs are localized on the central atom. So each bonded pair is shared between the two atoms. So in a molecule, the lone pair of electrons occupy more space when compared to the bonding pair of electrons. Next question is the shape of the molecule depends on A. Adjacent atom, B. Valence electron, C. Surroundings, and D. Atmosphere. Answer is B. Valence electron. Because according to the VSEPR theory, the shape of the molecule depends on number of valence shell electron pairs around the atom, both bonded and non-bonded. Now a double bond is made up of 2 sigma bonds, 2 pi bonds, 1 sigma, 1 pi, 2 sigmas and 1 pi. So the option is C, 1 sigma and 1 pi bond, because a double bond is formed between two atoms which involve the bonding of 4 electrons. So double bond is formed with 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. So like in ethane, oxygen and all, they involve double bonds. Next question, which of the following molecules geometry is true? BRF5, trigonal pyramidal, CIF3, T-shape, PCl5, seesaw, SF4, trigonal bipyramidal, that is BR, that is bromine, BRF5, Cl, it is chlorine, F3, then PCl5, then SF4. The correct choice is option B, that is ClF3 T shape, because it is it's 3 bonding pairs and 2 lone pairs. So the molecules BRF5, PCl5, SF4, they have got square pyramidal, trigonal, bipyramidal and seesaw shape. Next question, what is the shape of the water molecule? Is it trigonal, bipyramidal, bent or square, planar? So the answer is option C, bend shape. So see, each and every word which I am giving in the form of MCQs, it's extremely important in the exam, for the exam, and it has all come for the previous years as well. So try to remember and retain all these concepts in your mind. So water molecules HOH, it has got an arrangement of electrons in a tetrahedral. So it contains 2 bonded pairs and lone pairs in the form of molecule of the type AB3E2. So the shape is bent, so neglecting the lone pairs. When angle between 2 bonds in a linear molecule is it 109, 180, 74.5 or 90? The option is B. You know, linear means its straight line angle is always 180 degree. It has got the sp hybridization, where the bonds between the central atom and other atoms are separated by 180 degree. If you take carbon dioxide, the shape is given by O double bond C double bond O. Next question is, the bond enthalpy of dash molecule is 435.8 kilojoule per mole. Is it hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen or helium? Answer is option A, hydrogen. That is, bond enthalpy is the amount of energy required to break a chemical bond in a molecule to individual atom. So 435.8 is required to dissociate hydrogen molecule into 2 hydrogen atoms. Now next question is, the strength of covalent dash extent of overlapping of orbitals may be or may not be related, independent, dependent, not related to. Option is dependent on, because according to valence bond theory, the partial merging of atomic orbital is known as overlapping. So the extent to which overlapping, it is directly proportional to the strength of the covalent bond, that is dependent. What is the electronic configuration of carbon in excited state? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 1s2, 2s1, 2p4. The correct option is B. That is, ground state configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. But in excited state, that is when it loses an electron, it will form 2p orbital. So excited state configuration would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now next question, which type of bond is present between hydrogen and hydrogen molecule? Is it sigma bond, pi bond, ionic bond or metallic bond? Option is sigma bond, because the head-on or end-to-end type of overlapping that is present in sigma bond, it is a type of covalent bond also known as axial overlap. So for hydrogen molecule, it is SS overlapping. Now next question, the pi bond involves axial overlapping, sidewise, end-to-end or head-on type overlapping. Answer is B, sidewise overlapping. That is, pi bond is covalent bond in which the internuclear axis of the atoms, they are parallel to each other for sidewise overlapping. So the bond formed will be perpendicular to the internuclear axis. Now a positive overlap is same as out phase overlap, negative overlap, zero overlap and in-phase overlap. Answer is option D, in-phase overlap. Positive overlap is it results in bond formation. Two p orbitals are in phase, both positive lobes overlap. It creates a positive overlap and result in bond formation. It's called in-phase overlap. So with that we are coming to a conclusion of the important MCQs of this most important chapter. So after finishing this unit, I am planning to upload another important lesson from class 12, chemical kinetics. There are lots of problems from that unit as well. I will be uploading the most important MCQs, solving the problems for you and sharing tricks with you. Then once that is over, I am planning to do a redox reaction, which is another important unit of class 11. And also I will be uploading the important tricks and mind maps. Every day I am uploading my maximum in between my busy schedule. I try to upload a lesson every day, any unit every day I will be posting anytime. Just you press the bell icon so that whenever I post a video you get the notification immediately. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do share it with your friends as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed doing it for you. And with that we are coming to a conclusion of today's session. We will be meeting with another session quite soon, and thanks for watching it. That is all for today.